was very simple, lacks detail, but I'm gonna just like hello, welcome to our progression number 2. That was a lot of energy. I've probably said like 10 words today because it's just me and the cat hanging out. She's back there running around, as you can see, being crazy per usual. Just wanted to paint something else. I don't know what I want to paint. I was thinking of painting some flower people, like some like fairies playing in flowers or something, but I don't know how to draw flowers, nor do I know how to draw bodies. So actually, let me get my iPad. I'll be back. I'm gonna get my iPad and we're just gonna look at some sketches and stuff and use that as inspiration and then go from there. All right, I'm back with my iPad. I'm going to surf the interweb and find something that gives me some inspo, I guess. You can't really see it, but this is what I'm going by. I'm gonna use that. It's a very simple, minimalistic sketch, and we're gonna go with that. Okay, I'm gonna finish this sketch and then come back when I'm done with the sketch. Anyways, all right, see you in a minute. All right, still it's being annoying, and I think I'm done. I think I did a pretty decent
Oh my
job.
God, what is that?
Yeah, the flower looks okay.
Wishful thinking, yeah.
The person looks all right. I think it's pretty decent. I'm gonna start painting this. I don't know what color I want her to be. I'm thinking I want her to be should I make her green? Like a pale green? Yeah, why not? Yeah, you'll hear that ice machine just shucking and jiving in the background. Ooh. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna come back whenever I'm done with this flower. I've done a pretty decent job so far. We're getting there. Give me a break. I'm trying my hardest and we're just going with it. Anyways, see you in a bit. All right, I did the flower. I think I did pretty good. Pretty good. Let me do the stem actually. I forgot to do the stem. Let me do the stem. Okay, I think that's pretty good. My stem. Can you see him? Anyways, we're gonna go back in later with a little bit more white. But now I'm gonna work on my little fairy. Yeah. I'm nervous about this part. This will make or break it. And then I'm gonna work on the clouds. I'm really bad at the clouds, but I'm gonna try it. We're gonna watch tutorials and go from there. Hello. I took a little bit of a break to cook some dinner, and the food is in the butt. And this is what I have so far. That looks pretty good. I think I did a really good job on the flower. Your girl's an artist. What can I say? Let me show you what I made for Din Din. So, this is a falafel burger. This is by Gardein. And then, you know, some spring mix. Got a tomato. Oh, well, now I'm pointing it to the tomato. I got some mayo, some veganese, and some pesto in there as well. And then I got my asparagus. I just put that in the oven with my patty, my little falafel patty. And it has salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and what's that orange stuff? Turmeric on it. And then I have my little, I got this from Hy-Vee. I was really excited to try it. It's the, the Kayo like, you know, original mac and cheese. And I just put a little bit of the diet cheese on top with some salt. I didn't put salt on it. I put some pepper on there and a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder because I just always have to do that to all my mac and cheeses. No matter if it's good by itself or not, I have to do it. I have to. I will get back to you whenever I get back to painting. Might be today, might be tomorrow. Don't know, you'll be able to tell by my outfit change. Hello, outfit change. This is their pants. That looks ridiculous. Anyways. I need to eat some greens. Something that's green. I've been eating a lot of processed food lately. So I'm gonna eat a salad. And I've been oddly craving, sorry I'm crinkling a lot. I've been oddly craving a kale salad. And I make it real good and tangy. So I'm gonna make that for myself. My salad. Look at my somewhat shaven armpits. I got a new razor, aka I stole a razor from my sister because she told me she didn't have any, and I was like, oh, okay, and I was gonna buy some, and then I went into her thing today because, you know, why not? And she had like a set of like those like big razors, so that's what I use now. Usually I ask her for one, but since she's gone, I just took it. It's not like she's gonna use them all anyways, and plus I buy her stuff too, so it's fine. It's fine. All right, I'm gonna make my dress now. So I got my protein and fat right here in the hummus. I don't really like this hummus, so I'm trying to incorporate it in as many ways as possible. I'm gonna put a good amount of that in there. It's gonna make it nice and creamy. This is like Trader Joe's classic hummus. I don't like it. I don't know why I got this one. Usually I get the Mediterranean one. I was like, let me try something different. And I wish I didn't, to be honest. A few dollops of soy sauce, can't speak, and then some sprays of lime juice. I like lime a lot, so yeah. I forgot them celery salad. This kind of looks redonkulous, but it's gonna be good, I promise. Look at my weird salad. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me try it. I just be throwing stuff together. Tasty. All right, so this is where I left off. Let's see it. I got a lot. I'm gonna leave this alone and I'm gonna start working on the background because I think that's gonna make me feel better and make me feel less like it's gonna take forever. So yeah, I'll work on that. Starting the blue. I hope your flowers bloom. I hope your flowers don't bloom. I hope your flowers bloom. Y'all know that song? I love that song. I forget who the artist is. I'll probably put it in post who that is. Really good song. She's just staring at me. Stop staring at me with your weird eyes. Weirdo. Alright. But yeah, I'll be back whenever this is done and I start working on, you know, the clouds and the planets and stuff. This is going to be actually pretty difficult for me because I'm not really good at making circles and planets are all around, so we'll see how that goes. Some dry paint, yeah, it's kind of annoying. But yeah. Anyways, I'll be back. I'm gonna listen to some Steve Lacy. Alright, bye! clouds. I think I did a pretty decent job. Now I'm gonna build up the clouds a little bit more, make them a little bit more opaque, and then I'm going to, what am I gonna do? Add planets. And then finish this person, my little fairy. Yeah, okay, I think it's going pretty well. I'm shocked and surprised. All right, y'all. This is the reveal. I'm obviously tired. To be honest, I think my last painting was a little bit better, but hey, we're trying to grow, we're trying to push ourselves, we're trying to be better. I might, because this does call for quite a bit of detail work, so I might come back to this and like work on it later off camera, maybe in a week or so, whenever I feel like it. We'll see. But this is what I came up with so far. I'm kind of nervous. Like, I really went ham on the flower, and I did pretty good on like the overall shape of the little fairy, but everything else, it was very simple, lacks detail. But I'm gonna just let you guys see.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, James.
What do you guys think? It's not my best, I know, but I'm trying. As I said, I'm not a painter. I'm trying to get better at it.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
And I tried to do a little bit more detail work, like do things with more detail with it. That's not like super big and up close, and it was kind of hard. But I think I did a pretty decent job for someone this is day 2 of a non-painter trying to paint. So yeah, I think I did pretty decent. I think the flower was really well executed for my skill set, and yeah, I would give this like a C. Honestly, I would give it a C. But yeah, maybe I'll add planets and stuff, but I already like added the clouds and stuff, so I was like, why would I add the clouds before I add the little planets? But hey, maybe I'll redo it and I'll redo the background or something. We'll see, but I think this is pretty decent. I'm tired, and yeah, I'm going to, you know, keep progressing, keep trying my hardest, keep, you know, trying to be creative, and go see as it goes, see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know. I thought I could do better than this, for sure. But that's all I came up with for the time being. Anyways, I feel like I'm rambling. Don't mind me. I'm tired. My sleep schedule is so messed up. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's saying a lot, okay? Anyways, okay, bye. I'm tired. That was a lot.